come with me to unlock my animals this morning. I know it's only a day later, but I'm bored and I don't know what else to do. We got Blaze and Nugget outside with us, just walking to the goat barn. It snowed a lot this morning. Oh, there's a chicken out. I don't know if you can see him. I'm guessing that chicken didn't get locked up last night. But anyways, I'm bored. I don't know what else to do. So you're gonna come with me to unlock the goats. Alrighty, we got everybody ready to come outside. He's mean. He likes to headbutt you when you're on his side. Coco is... Can you stop biting my pants, please? Thank you. Coco's nice when she lets you pet her. And then Caramel is fat. I'm pretty sure she's pregnant. No promises, though. But we need to get their black bowls and give them more food. And unlock that door. Give the girls fresh water. Georgie won't need fresh water till tonight, because he won't have access to his side. Because we have that screwed shut. Because we haven't fixed it yet. But anyways, we're going to get them food. We're going to get the girls some water. That way all three of them have water for today. And then open the door. Okay, I got them water. Now, I'm just going to open up their door. They're ready to go out. Where did their stone go? Okay, now I just put the stone in front of the door. And watch as they come out and run around. And then we'll put some water in that silver bowl. And then we'll go let out the chickens and then feed the chickens and the ducks. Already, all three of them are, fed and happy. And are ready to be moved on to the chickens. Okay, we're unlocking the animals, which it looks like something tried to get in last night, which is not good. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's prop their door open really quick. I'm sorry if this is like really bad audio or really bad filming. This is my first time. I don't know what I'm doing. There you go. You want me to step away? I'm sorry. Y'all hurry up so I can get in there. Looks like they have plenty of water. That's one of our 10 roosters. That one up there, that zebra looking one, is another rooster. That big boy right there, his name's Puddin'. He's definitely a rooster. One of our baby chickens. Now I need to get out so I can look for eggs. Anyways, after I look for eggs and give them water, I'll show you how I feed them and the ducks. Anyways, this is how I go feed the ducks and the chickens. Just go to my mom's barn. And open it if it wants to be opened. I grab this bucket. Maybe not. Well, we're out of corn, so maybe not. We're just gonna go give them a scoop of goat feed. I let my mom know that we're out of corn. But now, we get to walk all the way back over to the goat barn. But and get a couple scoops of goat feed and give it to the chickens, and then take one scoop and go take it over to the ducks. So just grab a couple scoops. And then take one scoop and let's go take it to the ducks. Alrighty, they're fed and happy. So let's go put the scooper back and head inside. But anyways, that's it for today's vlog, I guess. I'll probably post tomorrow too. Probably just post every day to every other day until I get a community, because this is what I love to do. I love to entertain you guys. And I hope you like my videos. And if not, you can tell me what you want to see. You can tell me what I'm doing wrong. Because I'm not going to deny perfection. Like, I'm not going to deny anything if it means you'll watch it more. So, that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know it's a bit longer than yesterday's, but I hope y'all enjoy it. Love you, bye.